outside of the project. Yes. First in API, keep this data.json file. Data.json file you can keep in API folder. After that, this SRC folder will come. That you also download and zip it, extract it and keep in your project folder SRC. Then start the React server and start the JSON server. Okay, this page we want to make dynamic. Login page was somewhere. Login.js in user folder. So till here it was printing. Please wait for something. So from next we need to write the code and make it faster. What we have to do is we have already called the on pick on change here and down. You can make your volume 0. Volume go here and make a mute. Okay, so now see the JSON server what you have created. JSON server, it is running on port number 1234. Open here. Localhost colon 1234 / account. Localhost colon 1234 / account. Open that URL. Localhost colon 1234 / account. Okay. Now here, see in this server there will be multiple email and passwords. In that, we have to check whether given email ID and given password is matching or not. So let's test like this: account ? What are the property you have in this JSON server? Email and password. Correct. So email, it is the name of your property in the JSON server. email equal to s1@gmail.com, s1@gmail.com, and next property is called password equal to 123 and enter. Password equal to 123 and enter. One, two, three, and enter. You will see how many record is coming. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can try and enter. 0 will come. 1, 2, 3. You try again. 2 will come. Only 1 will come. Right. So that meaning is what? Based on this input, we can check whether user exists or not. So we are going to call exec this kind of URL where this the s1@gmail.com what we have given, it will become dynamic. Password 123 we have given, it will become dynamic. It will come from the state variable. So based on this URL, are you getting any one user details? Yes, account and not and question mark email equal to s1@gmail.com and password equal to 123. I will share you this in your chat also, you can check it. Come to your fetch function now. Else part, please wait processing. Write a variable URL equal to this URL. URL equal to this URL. Okay, hope URL is ready. Come down. Now this URL what we are given, s1@gmail.com. It cannot be same always. It will be different. So remove s1@gmail.com and just append here that state variable that is called uname. Email equal to uname. So now email ID will come from where? Uname variable. And password equal to remove 123 and do concatenation here plus with the upass. Upass, user password. Change this. Download the folder. Where you get the folder? No, the folder I have given is that where is this? This one. Now, why is that inside SRC? From that, copy this SRC. Where is your project? Project 4. Inside project 4, why so many are there? Which project we are running? Which we are put up? But inside project, why is my project? Inside project 4, SRC public folder is not there. Please, you have any class project? Which is a class project? Go to that folder. This is a class project. Project 1. Okay, so inside where you create the multi-task. You have mixed all, I guess. This SRC folder will have. Okay, SRC folder rename as SRC1. Rename SRC1. Quick call or waiting. Your mistake that you have not attended. SRC1. Okay, paste that over SRC1. Not inside out, paste. You have already copied on SRC. Paste here. Control V. Okay, go there and bring that folder. API folder. That is API folder. Go back. Copy the API. Where is that? My Redux, right? Paste here that API. Here, okay. Open the CMD, this one API. Open CMD API. Start it. JSON management server. Space minus large. Space data.json. Space minus 4. Space 1, 2, 3, 4. Space something wrong. Already the other using server is running. Here it's running in the same folder. Okay. Not bad. Again, right there in the start. Close this already useful. Yeah, this is okay. What open again? Open this. In I will try and open folder. There is one. Click on it. Just click once. Click on select folder. Open. Go to the user. Go to the user. Go to user. Login file detail. Click on that. Okay, so this URL is ready. Now come inside, right here fetch function. Under the fetch function, you will pass this URL. Then you will write .then response.json .then user info. So what will happen from here? You are sending the username and password to the JSON server, right? Okay, this much. All the content of else part I am sharing in the chat. All the content of else part is available in chat. You can use that. All the content of else part is available in chat. You can use that. Now see, from your computer, you are sending a request of username and password to server. Now server will check based on this username and password. If any record is matching, that will come under the user info. If record will not match, it will be 0. If record will match, it will be more than 0. So we'll write here if user info dot length greater than 0, user info dot length greater than 0, user info dot length greater than 0, then update message success, please wait, redirecting. Success, please wait, redirecting, else invalid or not exist. Else tell invalid or not exist. Invalid or not exist. Okay, happen. So what we did, we can check now. See now in the beginning, if you have not entered username and password and click on login button, it will say empty username and password. If you enter username and password, then it will check please wait processing. Your email name and password will go to the server, and the server will check this email name and email and password is exist or not. So from the server, a response will come and it will convert into array here, and we check array user length greater than 0. If greater than 0 means user is exist, then it will say success. Please wait, redirecting. Else it will say fail, is not exist what we are given. So on the basis of button click, the message will give change. So let me guide you how the message is going to change according to button click. Here by default, enter invalid. If I enter here something and something, please wait, invalid, right? Suppose if I enter here something, nothing, it will say empty email or password, right? If I say something, anything, it will say like it's not matching. If I enter right one, S1 at the rate gmail.com, password was 123, it will say success, please wait, redirecting. And after some time, it will redirect to the dashboard. So till here working, check once. Till here if work then well, we can move forward. Okay, so what happening? Next, after this, if it is the success, then we have to do something. If it is success, then we have to do something. In app.js file, if you remember, we have written local storage.get item ID. Local storage.get item of ID, right? ID. So that ID we need to create now. That ID will come from the backend. So let's go here. Write local storage dot set item ID user info of 0 dot ID. Like we are assuming in server there is only one user is matching. Dot set. This is dot set. Set item will help you to create. Get item will help you to fetch. So on 0 position, whichever the user details is coming, their ID be taken and given to local storage. We'll take their name also. So we'll write here call name and of name. Vendor name will come here. And then after this, local storage got created. We need to redirect to the dashboard page now. We need to redirect to the dashboard page. To redirect to the dashboard page, we have to write a function here from JavaScript. Window.location dot href equal to window.location.href equal to, just put like this slash, because Once the user will log in, it will redirect to the dashboard automatically. Window.location.href equal to go to the main URL, and after going to the main URL, reload the page. Window.location.reload. Reload. Like after going to the main page, refresh the page once. After going to the main page, refresh the page once. That's what setting you are doing. First, to enter the wrong email ID password, then enter the right email ID password. You will find like it will redirect to your dashboard application. Checked or not? We checked. Let us see now. So this is the login page. Enter the proper one, S1 and s1@gmail.com. Password I'll enter 1234. Enter. Invalid or not exist. 123. Enter. Redirect it where? Dashboard. So now you can see the picture of dashboard. In dashboard, there should be a link. Who is log out? Who is login? What is the name? And their button called logout. When you click on logout, it should go to the again login page. Check now, login happen. If login happen, then we'll come to the other pages. If Corona, you should have a presence to read the code little. Ab dekho, this is the code, this is the 2 lines, 4 line. In 4 line, you are changing the table. If 4,000 line will come, then what will happen? You have to change the company itself. Read that. It is not difficult. See how clean I have written. There is no any extra unwanted code. First, this line I have written static, then we convert it into dynamic. Read one by one. Read this line, read this line, read this line, read again here, 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 and here. Same code, if you read 3-4 times, no, you will get the error automatically. Browser में check करो. Now here, look at the JSON server. What we have stored. Password. Then I have one right? Mine one is not coming. It should go there. Okay, come to that file after this. In app.js. Log in, log out, log out में लिखा तो log in में log in मानो उसमें log in इधर आगे नाम है complicated user and password क्या दिए हो टाइप करने में आसान क्या लग रहा है that is easy no 1 2 3 something a given test anyone else is not able to log in my home is gonna check now this is your written set item or get item local storage dot set item in the JSON server what we are given ID or something else in JSON server you have the ID okay working then very good now we need to work on logout part so when the user is login there should be a link here it should display his name whoever is login and there should be a button called logout when you click on logout it should log out from the application so that will be under the admin header come under the admin header add one more li and remove the link from there and write called welcome name of login user is available in local storage dot get item dot get item as a name so whoever is login their name will print here dot get item whoever is login their name will print here yeah name is printing welcome seller 1 After that, there should be a button. So let's add one more li. In that li, we can print a button and we can write there logout. Button we can change to anything, it's not only button, but we'll keep button now. On click, you will call a function called log out. Logout function we can write here const logout equal to local storage dot clear. It will clear everything, and again redirect to the login page. Redirect to the login page and window dot location dot reload. Redirect to the login page and window dot location dot reload. After going to the login page, window dot location dot reload. After check now, login logout should work. Yes. Hello. Then login logout should work.
right? Workers.
तो कहाँ जा रहा है? कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे?
हाँ। ये वाला नहीं।
You have a problem in the routing. Okay, so let's log out. It will come to the login page, and again it came to the login page. But what will happen is, if the person is not login, see, I came to the login page, right? If I press back button, where it will go? See, login page. I'm pressing the back button. It's not allowing to go there. Let me log in once. S1, 1, 2, 3. Login happened. I went to the where order. My order is coming. I'll copy the URL. URL is copied. Now log out. So it will go to the login page. URL I have copied already. I will paste here and again enter. What it will do? Okay. I enter the URL and enter. Is it going to the order page? No. URL is the order, but the data is coming from where? It will not display the order page because user is log out. You have written the if condition here, where under the app.js file. URL is anything, no matter. If user is null, then display only public app. From public app, display some page. Okay. If it's not there, null, then display the admin app. From admin app, display any page. Right. So that is when you log in and log out somewhere. If the people will capture your URL and just log out, again press the back button. If it is not well designed, then it will come back to the again home page. And it will say welcome undefined particular. So hope these two files are working. Login and log out happen. Now based on this, whenever if we are developing the functionality for public app, then we will log out from the application. If you want to develop the functionality for admin app, then we'll log in as a admin and then we'll write the code and we'll see it. Okay, right? So clear. The app.js code you have written, it look like meaningful now? Meaningful now? And two places we have written the routing, one in the app public app, another one is under the admin app. So now these two are working like as a module. These two are as a module. One is after login and one is before login. One is after login, one is the before login. Okay, come next. Next, after this, we need to go to the home page functionality first. In home page, there should be list of product. There should be list of product. After that, when you click on place order, that product will get added under the cart. And it will get added under the cart. And once you go to the cart page, it will display the list of items. Then you will ask where that product will come. So that product as of now will add hardcode value, fixed value. We will add 5 product as a fixed value in the JSON server. And then once this home page is done, cart functionality is done, wish list is done, login, logout is happening, then we will log in and we will make the S1. Then we'll make the product page as a dynamic. Here we can add the product, list the product, and then delete the product. And then automatically once the people will place the order will come. And then when order will come in dashboard, we can display the length of order and everything. Okay. So come next to where first we'll log out and we'll work on this home page. Okay. So to work on home page, you have to go to your VS Code, and in VS Code, go to the file and open folder, not open folder, add folder to workspace. अब दिखाइए अपना, add the folder to workspace, JSON server, JSON API folder you can select. Select the JSON API folder you load there. From the VS Code, go to the add folder to workspace, select API and click on add. Okay, click on add. This is running on which port number? Header is public header is defined but never used. So open the folder. एक minute, help an error. This is what we have written. Dashboard. This is which file? Admin header. Admin header you written clear and all it is. That is okay. Now coming to the login file. You send the details. Alert. यहाँ पे आ रहा था क्या? 0 और 1. Alert. So here window.location.reload. Location HTTP localhost 3000. Now here in admin app, what you have written? My dashboard. This is also fine. Admin header is okay. Okay. Now after that, I need to check here another thing. यहाँ पे JSON server किधर है? इसमें कौन सा? Okay. So you go here and alert this. Comment this line. Comment this line also. And alert here. User info. User info of 0.name. Alert this. Enter here. Okay, so open the file. Go to the data.json file. In data.json file, add one property in the last. Who is doing something? Sek, what is that? No, then I'll ask you to log out, okay? Don't design like that. Yeah. Right, triple equal to. Okay. User admin in dashboard admin app admin को कॉल किया आपने admin header है मैं admin header में क्या लिखा admin header but something wrong here admin header is not coming there. Loading है एक बार server start करके start कीजिए. Start the server and start once. Add one more property in the last. Add one more property called product. Product list. Product list colon. Product list colon. So this till here it is for the account. Now from here product list is starting. So we will store total 4 product details. 4 product details will store, and based on that we will test once, and then we will learn how to add the product dynamically. Okay, so we can add here curly bracket ID colon 1. It can be without double quote also. ID 1 name anything Apple. Next price maybe 300. Next details or info you can write. Next after that photo 1.jpg. I added in one line. Once we add 3-4 product, then we'll right click and format. It will go to the new line. So now add in the same line all 4 items. Okay, written one item, copy and paste 4 times. This is you are adding the static item. We will make it dynamic. It will come from the admin part. So I added 5 times total. And we change the ID 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in number of time. If you want, you can add here. That many number of values we have to add also. Okay, I'll change call 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4.jpg, 5.jpg, 6.jpg. Good, let it be Apple 300. Next I'll keep call mango. We'll keep somewhere 100 rupees kg. Then we'll keep call onion. Somewhere 40 rupees kg. Next we can keep a banana. We'll keep somewhere 50 rupees kg. Then keep call something mouse. We can keep for 400, 500. Can keep on laptop. 30,000 we can add. This is the static data that you are going to display to public when the public will log in. Okay, so hope ready. Added how many product? 6 product. Photo you keep in public folder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 photo. In which folder? Public folder. So go to the public folder and keep there 6 photos. Apple, mango, onion. In public folder, you can keep the photos. You can download or do anything. Apple, mango, onion. Next what I have. Banana, mouse, Dell, mouse, laptop. Mouse, laptop. This way you can download the photo and keep in your which folder? SRC folder, sorry, public folder. I will send this photo also in your chat. If you want download, you can download from here. Mouse means mouse photo only I have added. Right? There was a time in my career when I went to the college first time. Okay. Lecturer was giving the example of mouse. Correct. Lab was a dry lab. Dry lab means no system. Some keyboard broken, some monitor here, there. Correct. Never seen the mouse. How is the mouse? How that look? After coming from the college, when we search in dictionary mouse, meaning of mouse, then it was saying musak. I got confused now what to do. I came to study the programming language to be a software engineer, and dictionary saying mouse means musak. Me and my friend both was thinking what to do. Okay. And one day we cried also in law, saying like it was the wrong decision. And later time came, and time said like no, everything is possible. Now at a time, if you look into the market, multi-thousand people will hold the mouse in their hand, and they will be writing those skills that given by me. I'm not prouding on that, right? That day I have struggled a lot to learn. After that, I teach to a lot of people. Correct? After looking into this mouse photo, that mouse, time remember. So photo kept in folder, right? Array is ready. Come to the home page now. In home page, here, in home page, we need to display that products. Which product we have stored in JSON server, those product we need to display and make it functional. Yes, can we go to the home file now? So come to the home.js file. In user folder, you have file home.js. Open that file. Yours reloading? No, same problem? Same problem. Okay, we'll find out home page. Let's go to home file. In home file, you need to import the home file, need to import the use state, as well as import the use effect. Use effect. Okay, important. Now come down right here. Let all product, comma, update product equal to use state should be array by default. Should be array by default. Come down below, write a const get product. Okay, we're done. Now right here, variable related news URL equal to that URL. Which URL? You don't know your product is running on which server? Here is that. We have to read error something. This we have to recompile. Which one? Server. Control C and recompile again. Restart it. So it will give two URL, account and product. You check if it is not running, you have to restart this. Coming. Okay, come to the here. So URL will be http://localhost 123/product list. So from here, if you are calling product list, it will give you the all the product. How many product you have in the server? All will come. Next, after that, we can write here fetch function. URL dot then response and then response dot JSON dot then product array okay. You can write here now. This data we need to assign to this one where product update product. And via update product, it will go here call all product. via product, it will go to the all product. Now this function I need to call using use effect. In that, call here, call get product, and in use effect apply the limit also. It should not call multiple times. It should call only one time. So here we need to give product array. Yes. This should be product array. Should be as a product array. Yes, product array. Product array will go to the update product, and from update product it will go to the all product, right? Then come down below here. Empty tag you can replace with the division, class name, container, give empty profile, from top some space will come, division. H1 we can remove. First, instead of writing this one container, put as a okay, empty tag was right only. Empty tag was correct. So empty tag, let it be here. Empty tag, let it be here. Empty tag, let it be here. In empty tag, first tag will be section tag. Section tag. And section tag will have one background. Section tag will keep one ID called banner. Okay, banner, just write banner, and inside that put a text called keep shopping. Then come to the container, and in container write the division, row, division, now inside the row we have to use the map. Inside the row we need to use the map.
All product.
Yeah, next we need to write all product dot map. All product dot map. on product dot map product on my index again, and will display inside return the division all hyphen lg hyphen 4 or 3, keep 3 mb4 or mb5. mb4 will be okay. Inside that mm, inside that will follow one division, another division. That division will have class name P4, rounded bg hyphen which color, we don't write shadow only, shadow hyphen lg. Come inside and display the product name h5 product dot name, class name extra hyphen center, text hyphen which color, primary is okay, blue color. So it will display the name of all the products in college 444 333 key equal to index. Okay, rotate. Check now, list of product will appear. 4 product in one line. This look like much congested or how it is? 3 we can keep because 3 if we are keeping, then okay, let it be 4 is also fine, not bad. Shadow LG if you feel it's heavy, you can put only shadow. Only shadow will be less shadow. Will be less shadow, it will not be very heavy shadow. Okay, H5 it look very small. Convert to H3. H3 will be big font size little. This 3 is okay. Check now, products are listing or not. Name or printing, name of the product, something like this. Now we need to print below photo. Then after that, we need to display the details and then something. Right, then all it will come. See, try finding the error. What is the error? I can find in 1 minute, but what is the benefit for you? No benefit, no, it will be copy paste only. Spend some time, find out where is the error. At last, I can help you.
Reactors must be called in react function component.
You have written outside, that is a problem. Not loading. I will give you this syntax. This we have written more than 10 plus times. No? This type of code we have written more than how many times? 10 plus times. This type of code we have written more than 10 plus times. Hmm. Okay, now come down. Let's complete the remaining part. After H3, write the img tag, then follow src, right inside product dot photo, and you can set some height. Maybe we can set here call 140, and width we can set here call 100%. 100%. And class we can write here called rounded. So little curve will get applied. Height width we need to fix. Why? Because photo will be of different 100%. This should be 100%. Photo will be of different width sizes. That will become another problem. Photo is coming, something like this. The height is looking little smaller. We have to increase the height little. 160 will be okay according to width. According to width, little more height is required. 180 something, I guess. Okay, now picturization is fine. Below, we need to display the details in a paragraph tag. First, we need to print the price. Price we need to print called in a P tag. You print the del, del, del. Under the del, we need to calculate the, right, under the del, you will write here product dot price. And under the INS also you print the product dot price. INS. INS represent the offer price and del represent the old price. Del represent the old price and INS represent the offer price. Okay. Class equal to text hyphen center. Text center. Class equal to text hyphen center. So it will come in middle. Old price will be cross and new price will be underline. Old price we can keep as a red. Class name text hyphen danger. And new price we can keep as a blue. Text hyphen primary. But both are same as of now. Both are same. Both the price are showing as a same. So old and new. We can write rupees. Here also we can add the rupees. Rupees will print. Rupees this much. Rupees this much. Here we can write one M-1. Here also M-1. So little 4 and 4, 8 pixel gap will get applied. M-1, M-1. Now in the old price, you have to do plus 20 rupees or maybe plus 50 rupees. Old price should be more than new price. So old price how much? Price plus 50 rupees. We are making full to customer. Okay. We are saying this is the old price and this is the offer price. So old price, current price plus 50 rupees extra. And then in new price is the original price. But in old price, we added original price plus 10 rupees, 50 rupees. So then it will show this is the old price and this is the new price. Correct? Or also you can calculate the 10% of old price. The 50 I have written here, 50. At this place, can you calculate the 10% of price? How to calculate? We want to get the 10% of this price. So what is the formula of that? 10% if you want to add of original price, what is the formula of that? Price into 10. After that divided by 100. That is the formula. No? So first what to do? Product dot price into product dot price into 15%. And then after that divide by 100. Will it come right value or wrong value? Let me see. So this is the original price, how much? 100. 15% will be 15 rupees. This is the 300. 300, no? 15% will be 45 rupees. This is the 30,000. So 15% will be corresponding of that, right? So here, okay, 40 of 40, okay. So I hope it is calculating properly. Please check it. After this paragraph, we need to display the details of the product in one P tag. Product.details. After that, we'll write a button. In P tag only, I'll keep in the middle. X center. We'll add a button. Add to cart. And right here, class name. BTN hyphen danger and BTN hyphen SM, a small button. So we created one small button. Coming. Do you have image in folder? Show me the public folder. See the project folder. Where is the project? This one project and my project and Redux. You kept somewhere else, no? You copy that photos. You're inside the Redux public folder. You have to go. Yes, here. You have kept somewhere else. Because of that, it's not able to find the path. Okay, so we got look like this. Everywhere we have a button, add to cart. Now, how many product will come from the backend? All will be listed here. Okay, and when we click on add to cart, then magic start from here. Add to cart, once you do, this item will get added in the cart. And once you go to the cart page, it will say, right? It will display in the cart. Similar way, we can add a button here. We can add here called one icon we can add here. Click on that, it will go to the wish list. Correct? It will go to the wish list. Then once you click on wish list, it will display the product from where? Wish list. So hope till here all are on the track. Oh, this is not info. Yes, this is not details. It's called as a info. Yes. Info. Then only it will display. It's showing, no, it's good something. If you add more lines, then it will appear here. Okay, now before doing add to cart, we need to design something for this banner. We have an ID called banner. In that banner, we will download one shopping cart banner from internet and we'll set as a background. Okay, or we can download 3-4 shopping banner from internet and we'll keep in folder and we'll write the this one call it a what is that? Animation. We'll write animation. So automatically photo will keep change. Photo will keep change. So come to the internet and download 3 photo per banner at least. Shopping banner image. Shopping banner image. Right. So we can download this kind of banner. Okay, so for example, let's download this 2 or 3 we can download. This one, and this one, these 3. So right click, save image, b1.jpg, first banner, second banner, b2.jpg, download one, b3.jpg. What is the solution of that?
You have charger?
Okay. Video is recording, no, anyhow. You can watch that later also. B1 is this one. Oh, B1 is very small here. B2. Oh, wait. Let me delete this two, B1 and B2. No. Let me go here. Okay, so I'll go for this one called not more tools. Inside the tools, there is called size. Select call which size? Large size. Again, same photo is coming in the large size also. Let's download it and save. B1, B2, B1, B2, and then another one, B3. B1, B2, B3. Okay, 3 photos we can download, B1, B2, B3, B1.jpg, B2.jpg. Oh, still small only, right? It's very small. Spot sizes are even large. Oh. From Flickr. Google is also good. Here also we can get, but why is going a small, big photos? Commerce. Okay. Yeah. Anyhow, download big size photo. But it's a different format. Okay, see, we have got some photo here, mango, apple, banana. This photo also we can. Click. Save image as. But these all are web format. These all are web format. B1.jpg. Replace. Let us see. Okay, this came. B1.jpg. B2.jpg. Save image. B2.jpg. Another one we can search. Not 0% discount. Give little more. 30 to 40% off.
So I am sending banner to group.
D3 dot
I am sending in banner.
banner. Okay, you can send it. But name should be similar. Name should be similar. Then only it will be helpful for all to implement. Okay, so B1, B2, B3. I got here. little okay, we can manage it. One is the big size. Okay, let's come to the CSS. Through CSS, we can increase the width. In which group? WhatsApp group. Okay. So other people can download it. Come to that file. Which file? Now we have written here, no? ID equal to what? ID equal to banner. Keep any photo in the which folder? Public folder. Keep any photo in public folder and come to your index.css file. Right here. Has banner. Has banner. Height of the banner. Let's keep somewhere 300 px. Width of the banner 100%. 100%. And after that, background of the banner, background hyphen image, or an URL. Inside the URL, we will give okay, let us give here call b1.jpg and then background hyphen size 100% height as well as 100% width. Background size 100% height, 100% width. Then photo should appear. Okay, resolve src. Okay, no problem. Look like one folder back we need to give. Public, then 1.jpg, b1.jpg. Dot slash public b1.jpg you have to give. It should match with the path. See, banner appear. One banner. Okay. Then after that, we can write the. Okay, for that also we can control the width. We can put inside container. It will be under the control. That is not the problem. Font size. Font size. Let's keep somewhere 70 pixel. Color you can choose according to your image. Color I'll keep called white. And then text align center I'll keep. Text align center I'll keep. And font padding also I'll increase little. Somewhere 100 pixel so that it will be in the middle. So it should come in the middle. Okay, so ready? Photo is coming. Oh, the font size is not increased. Why? Yeah. Double P. Double P. Now it is okay. Below product will be listing. On the top, navigation will come. This banner also will control. Will put in container. Automatically it will be under the control. So added. Now let us write the media animation for this. So at the rate, what is the media query? Keyword. Anyone remember? At the rate? No idea. Keyframes. Keyframes. Then my banner. In my banner, when 25% time will get finished, then background will convert into b2 dot jpg. 75%. Let's keep 30%. 30%. Next 30% will get finished. Then what will happen? 60%. Then 3 dot png will come. It's look like lace. Keep 40, 40, 80. And after that, next, once 100% will happen, after 100%, again this will come. 1 dot jpg will come. Now we need to link below animation. Oh yeah, so many things came. Duration, time function, delay. My banner. Animation, my banner. Animation hyphen duration. 10 seconds will be okay. Animation iteration count infinite. So this will become a banner where on home page it will keep rotating and content will keep change. We will keep change. We will control the width, then it will look more better. Photo can be changed at any moment. Photo is not big deal. Photo can change at any moment. Check now, animation is happening. Okay, hope done. So changing. Now come to the HTML now. CSS code shall I share in the chat? Photo you can change whenever you want and delete B1 and put another B1, B2, B3. Then we need to come to the home file, and this is given class ID equal to banner, right? Class equal to container. Container will control the width. It will not allow to be in the full width. Container will control the width. Width got control. Now according to height, width is fitting properly. But inside that, we have written this. This is little wrong. Okay. What we should do? Come. You can see, some difference is there. This product is little inside and this is little outside, not in one line. So for that also we need to put some solution. Right. So container we follow, that is fine. Now inside that follow a division. Follow class as a row. Class name. Class name as a row. Class name as a row. Inside the row, you create a division. Class name call -sg-12. And in this 12, you create another division, and for that division you give ID equal to banner. Cut the ID from section and apply for banner division. ID should not be for the section. ID should be for those division that is under the 12. Modify this, and inside the 12 you can keep something like this. That will be systematically organized. That is systematically organized. Not coming to you have not listened properly. I have asked you to give ID for the division inside. Can you open the code? समझते नहीं हो ना आप? See how many times I have written the ID? Only one time. You have written the ID 2 times. So हमने specifically force भी किया है. I have asked also remove the ID from the section. थोड़ा logic लगाइए. सब कुछ copy paste का थोड़ा ही करेंगे. Everything will not copy paste. Little our knowledge, our understanding is also required. So hope you have done it, and that look like this. Is it matching in the line? See, now it is matching in the line. Yes. So the photo is also changing, everything is happening. So section tag I'll share in the chat. Section tag code I send it in the chat. Keyframes is here. Check this. The keyframes. @keyframes. So hope working. No, not changing. Some other reason. Log in in Zoom and take this code. Okay. Next work will be creating a very good navigation. So this navigation will use from the Bootstrap, not now. Once we finish the project, then else code will become heavy. You will feel like there is a lot of code. Okay, so let it, this much is functional, right? Functionality is happening. Everything is happening. Navigation will add in the last. So this is happening. This is happening. Now in the project, there should be when we do add to cart, anywhere, this particular item should get added in your cart, and once you go to the cart page, it should display this is available in your cart, and from cart you should be able to delete that, right? So all are on track. Something I hope. From the website, Nivin has tried to download the video many times. 9 times you did right click. Oh, Nivin. And I don't know whether you are success or fail, but I found that you have tried to download many times. That is wrong, okay? Yesterday we have paid nearly 50,000 to the service provider to purchase the server, and the video will be available for lifetime. Don't download it. Bad habit is always bad habit only, correct? So bad habit is always bad habit. So we'll not try to download. We'll watch from there only. Okay, from where? From the website. It will be there always. One class video will exist there for 1 year. But now suppose what video will upload there, it will be there for continuous for 1 year. 1 year you can watch anytime. After 1 year, who have the time to watch? You will have kids, children here. Once you start watching the Papa open in the YouTube, yeah, what boring you are playing. Correct or not? So will not try to download it, okay? You try downloading, no? See what action will happen. Okay, next, what YouTube videos are there that are coming, but other video from today onwards, whichever will upload, 100% use, may not download. But again, we cannot take the guarantee of technology. You can be master than me. But okay, so try down and watching from there only. Okay, come next. So this page look like clean. Okay. In companies, individual, if you are able to design the pages like this, 100% sure no one will reject you. 100% sure no one will reject you. Okay. But if you are not able to manipulate this all, then it will become problem. So your practice is much important.
More practice.
More practice, correct? Assume like I am creating one project, you create one more project. This is made by me only, you are following me. I am not asked to write any page. That represent I am reteaching you. Okay. In this also some people log out. Some people log out. 2% is log out already. I don't know whether. Okay. So what you should do, how you are following the steps in this. You need to follow one more step similar in another project. Try doing the similar step again. Not something new, similar stuff again in one more from your side. Don't copy the code. Try writing from your side. Where you fail, there you copy or you look into the code. Okay, but try writing. Okay, come now. Next work will be this one. Add to cart. Easy, simple. Okay, it's a simple only. So first we'll come to the home file. Not in home file. Where we want to send the data, that place should be ready, no? Like you are fetching the product from the JSON server. Similar way, you have to send the cart item also to the JSON server. So your JSON server should be ready to hold the data that you are sending in the cart. So after product, add one more property. Nevin should not feel bad because all are like a family member only. I have told you publicly. Even I also tried to download. I was testing that. Almost everyone have tried. Honestly, you ask, everyone have tried. Okay, but how many people fail, how many success, I don't know. Some people have tried many times. Okay. Okay, let's come. So right here call cart. A array call cart. Call again. Okay, under the cart, don't add anything now. Okay, let it be cart as a empty. As soon as you do add to cart, one item details will come from the front end and will get added here under the cart. We have here no product structure, something like this. Once you click on mango, what will happen? Mango details will come and it will create like this. Mango details will come from the front end and it will store here. It will store here. Then once you call the cart API, you will get one item inside the cart. Correct? If you add one more, then what will happen? Suppose you will add one more called laptop, or maybe if you click on add to cart of banana, so banana will come and it will get stored like this. So product remains same, and one copy of that will go to where? Cart. When the user will place the order, we can display this data from the cart. Two. One is called mango, another one is banana. In the list. From there, user can delete also. If they want to delete one card from, they let them to delete. It will delete the ID number 4. It will delete the ID number 2. Correct? When they will place the order, then this product will come. All product will come. Whatever the product they have added in the cart, all will come. And again, we need to ask the user information also. Give your name, email, city, and then address where need to deliver. So user details and product details will be as a nested array. One user, multiple products. Okay, so now I'll keep the cart as a empty. I'll keep the cart as a empty. Right, cart is empty here. We'll go to the where home file. In home file, first to write a function called const add to cart. Add to cart. I have written all small so that it will not do much mistake. Okay, add to cart. Internal function can be anything, a small capital. Add to cart and right here call p data. P data represent product data. Okay, right here console.log this one. Call as a console.log as a data. Console.log data. Okay. Next, after that, come to the HTML part. We need to call this function. Call add to cart. P data is nothing but the details of one product. It will be the complete details of one product. So add to cart function now we need to call below. Come down. Come down and go to the button. On click equal to add to cart dot bind. This comma product. This comma product. This comma product. Okay. So this comma product, what is under the product? Inside the product, what are the details you have? Name, photo, price, details, everything is there. Info, all are under the product. So when we click on add to cart, one complete product details we are giving to whom? JavaScript. JavaScript will do the console.log. And again, from JavaScript, we will send the product data to backend, JSON server. So let's go here and do the right click and open the inspect element. And go to console. Do you mean class? Somewhere I have written the class. It should be class name. Class where I have written. Component 50%. Div section is a old error. Old error. Okay, that is a old error. Okay, so button add to cart function is called and add to cart dot bind this comma product. Now when you look up, you are printing console.log. Let's test now. I will go here. I'll click on add to cart of mouse. Console I have enabled already. Console is open here. Once I click here, you can see one product details displayed. If I click on laptop details is coming here. Now this information we need to send to the backend. Okay, as soon as you click, the particular details will go to the backend. As soon as we click, the particular details will go to the backend. So hope everyone checked console. Okay, so quick 5-minute work more we have. Go here and write a URL where we want to send the data. So need to send the data to this cart, C-A-R-T, cart. Next, after that, what we want to send? We want to send the product information. How we want to send? Post data equal to headers. Headers colon content hyphen type colon application / JSON. Next, after that, write call method post. Then write next call body JSON.stringify p data. P data we are converting into JSON because it is an object as of now. You are converting into JSON and then using the fetch function, you need to write the URL comma post data. URL comma post data dot then again response. Okay. Response.json. Next again dot then server response. You will write here alert. I can print as of now. P data dot name plus added in your cart. Added in your cart. P data plus name added in your cart. Click on button. You will see one item will get added in the cart. You will go to the JSON file and you will see there in cart array content will be added. Yeah, got it happening. Add to cart. Suppose we'll go here. I will add call maybe onion. Is saying onion added in your cart. If I go to the JSON server and if I look into the data.json file, we can see one inside the cart, one item is added. That is called onion. Cart was empty. Cart was empty, no? Inside the cart, you can see one is added here. If I add one more called banana, says banana added in your cart. If I go here, you can see onion was by default. One was onion, one more got added called banana. So these two will display in our cart. What are the items are added in your cart? These two will come there. Working? Not working. You have problem here in the home.js file at this place. Headers makes your a small header. Headers will be small. So this function is sent in your chat. Please check once. Function sent in your chat. You can check once. Go. No. Once the item is added, you cannot add again. Once the item is added, if it is the backend language, then it will message you. Sorry, you cannot add this item again. It is not backend language, correct? So it will simple internal, it will throw some error. It will not say yes or no anything, just simply it will say as a some internal error. Please check. Okay, so if add to cart is working, then till here we'll leave the here only and we'll see next class will be login is already happening. Now whatever the item you are adding under the cart, it will come to the cart page. From cart page we can add, delete the item, or we can continue shopping. We can add some more item in the cart. After that we can place the order. So whichever the order will be placed, it will come under the admin login. Seller will log in, he will see the order has received. Again, after that, next, then cart and home will be ready. After that, we'll work on wish list. Whatever the item will click, and then like we'll do something, and then it will where will option called view list, add to wish list, some love icon we can add, heart icon. So once you click on that, maybe on the top corner here, once you click on that, it will go to where? Wish list. And once you click on wish list, it will display the selected items. Okay. That will be next day class. Next day in the sense next Saturday. Okay. Any holiday we have in between? No holiday, no? No holiday, right? Okay. Okay. So thank you for your 3 hours of patience. Many people